Isoko wado. Isoko. Greetings to everybody. Today I want to teach us the way we Isoko people we call money, and not this model. I'm talking about coins. Coins. Isoko we say IBIGHO. IBIGHO, that is how we call coins. Now, please, I want to beg us, in case if you know it more than I do, and maybe I made a mistake somewhere, you can put me through, you can correct me in the comment section. Thank you. Isoko to the world. Now, IBIGHO is coins. Number one, half kobo. Half kobo. We can say, or we say, half kobo, afọ, AFU, and you have dot under. Afọ, hayo, epini. Then there is another one, anini, brackets. Then adigboloja, bracket. That is, those are the names they used to call it as then. Then 1 kobo, ukoba, hayo, ukobavo. 2 kobo, ikoba ive. 3 kobo, ikoba esa, hayo, utoro. Then 4 kobo, ikoba ene. 5 kobo, ikobe, hayo, ikoba iso. Ikobe, hayo, ikoba iso. 6 kobo, ikobe zeza. Ikobe zeza, that is 6 kobo. 7 kobo, ikobe ile. Ikoba ile. Then 8 kobo, ikoba ire. 9 kobo is ini, hayo, ikoba izi. Then ini no obe oyibo ikru. No? Ini no obe oyibo oku. That is ini. 9 kobo, ikobe zi, hayo, ini. Your ini obe no oyibo oku. Then 10 kobo, ikoba ikpe, hayo, usele. Hayo, ubihovo. I'm talking about 10 kobo now. 10 kobo, ikoba ikpe, hayo, usele. Hayo, ubihovo. The hayo I'm always pronouncing, it means or. Maybe when you are saying something, you say or, he or she. That is hayo or hayo. So please understand that word, hayo. Then 11 kobo, ikoba be bovo, hayo, usele be ukoba. 11 kobo, I come again. 11 kobo, ikoba ikpe bovo. Ikoba be bovo, hayo, usele be ukoba. Right? Then 12 kobo, ikoba be gbive, hayo, usele be ikoba ive. 12 kobo, ikoba be gbive, hayo, usele be ikoba ive. Then 13 kobo. Ikoba begbesa hayo usele be utoro. If you can remember, 3 kobo, I said 3 kobo. Ikobesa hayo utoro. Now, see 13 kobo. 13 kobo here. Ikoba begbesa hayo uselegbe utoro. 13, that is, we are moving to 14 now. 14 kobo. Ikoba begbene hayo uselegbe ikobene. 15 kobo. Uselegbe ikobe. Uselegbe ikibe. Sorry. Ikibe, not ikobe. 15 kobo. Uselegbe ikibe. IKIBE. That E has dots under, IBIGHO. That is that E that has no dot. But that E that has dot under is E. IBIGHO. So 15 kobo usele 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 gbe ikibe. 16 kobo usele gbe ikoba gbe bizeza. 16 kobo usele gbe ikoba ikpe bezeza. 17 kobo usele gbe ikoba gbe bile. That's 18 kobo. 18 kobo usele gbe ikoba gbe bere. That is bere, sorry, that is 18 gbe ere. Then 19 kobo usele gbe ikoba gbe bizi. 20 kobo. 20 kobo. 20 kobo isele ive hayo IBIGHO. 20 kobo isele ive hayo IBIGHO. 25 kobo IBIGHO gbe ikibe. That is 25 kobo. 25 kobo IBIGHO gbe ikibe. 30 kobo IBIGHO esa hayo isele esa. 40 kobo IBIGHO hayo iselene. 50 kobo IBIGHO hayo isele iso. 60 kobo IBIGHO ezeza. IBIGHO ezeza. 70 kobo IBIGHO ire. IBIGHO ire. That is 70 kobo. 80 kobo IBIGHO ere. 80 kobo IBIGHO ere. 90 kobo IBIGHO izi. IBIGHO izi. IBIGH double I Z double I. IBIGHO izi. Then 1 naira. 1 naira. IBIGHO hayo iselegbe. So, my people, I want to draw my cousin here. Please comment, like, and please share my video. Drop your comment, please, and share my video. Thank you. God bless us. Isoko to the world. I remain your daughter, Destiny Umukoro, popularly known as of Flep Romote, one of Isoko Nation. Thank you. I love you all.